Hi, I am Roportaj. Today we're going to make an interview with my teacher. Can you please introduce yourself to us?
My name is Yakup Çetin. I'm an English teacher at a social science high school. And I've been working here for 5 years.
So let's get started.
Okay,
First question. What is family violence? What do you think about family violence? Can you please give us some information about that?
Okay, I'm not an expert actually in this topic, but we live in this community and every day we witness many events in social media or in news. We witness it, and it's I think a kind of health problem. What kind of health problem? A health problem that affects the whole country actually. It affects not only men or women, but the children mostly, and the victims mostly the children, and they are really miserable in this situation. So it's a really dangerous and serious health problem, and the cause, I think, both sides and the community itself, maybe we can say. Why? Because if a part of your body gets ill, the whole body acts. So it's not only a personal problem, I think it's everybody's issue. And everybody should take care about this.
Well, and second question. What are the signs of family violence in someone?
Okay, mostly they, as far as I've witnessed, they are unhappy mostly. They are not so willing to talk actually. And also they are stressful and get angry easily. Maybe they can be, they can attack the others, and they are not easygoing people.
Yeah. Have you ever met someone who experienced this kind of violence?
In my environment, in my family, I haven't witnessed, but we witness in the news every day.
Yeah.
And I haven't witnessed around me actually.
Thanks to God.
Okay.
And what do you do if you experience family violence?
Okay, family violence is a really serious problem, and we really pay attention about it. And we should maybe talk to some social service experts, and maybe they can help us, and psychologists maybe they can help them or us. And it's a really difficult and complex problem actually.
And why does family violence happen? What do you think?
Family violence happens because people intolerate, and so they are not respectful to both sides and to each other. They are not respectful, and also they want a lot of things, but they find a little in life actually. So expectations big, but the reality is very small, and this is an unbalanced situation, and that's the reason they are unhappy, and they are unhappy, and they make people unhappy. So it's actually vice versa, I think.
How can we prevent family violence?
Actually, maybe we have a little things to do, but the most important one, we should be respectful to each other. In the family, in the community. Why? Because violence is not happen that in the family, but it happens in society. So we should be respectful for people. We should love each other actually. And we try to understand our expectations and the reality should be in balance, and we should know the reality, what we have in hands, okay? So if we think about this, we can be more happier, and at that time violence goes away, I think.
I agree with you. Thank you for this interview. And thank you for watching us.
Okay.